Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's exactly what Charles Osborne did. Starting in 1922, he experienced an unending hiccuping spree that lasted until 1990. Can you believe it? Over 430 million hiccups. It all began when he fell off a beam while weighing a hog, and just like that, his life changed forever. He tried everything to stop them, holding his breath, drinking water upside down, even seeking medical help, but nothing worked. Despite this bizarre challenge, Osborne lived a full life, even getting married and raising a family. He turned his hiccups into a unique talent, performing at shows and raising awareness about his condition. Talk about resilience. Charles Osborne truly holds a record that's hard to top.